After successfully completing a course, students can receive a certificate. Let's look at how to create a certificate for students in SendPulse. Go to the Certificates section and open the Builder tab. Here you can customize the certificate for your course. First, select the desired layout or format, A4, A5 or square. Next, set the background color using the color icon. Instead of a solid color, you can add a background image. To do this, switch on the background image option and upload a file. The image will be added to the canvas on the right side. When choosing an image, consider the layout of the certificate. Choose text styles such as font, color, and alignment. After setting up the appearance of the certificate, you need to configure its content. By default, the certificate contains information about the student who completed the course and the course title. The student's first and last name are pulled from the Students tab of the course, and the course title is taken from the course name, which can be edited on the course page. Additionally, you can activate and add your own title, course instructors, certificate date, your company logo, and a text block. You can also optionally add the SendPulse logo. After finishing the customization of the certificate, click Create Certificate. Enter the certificate name, it will appear only in your dashboard. Select the course to which the certificate will be issued and click Save. You can always return to this certificate later and edit it. SendPulse also allows you to add certificates during the learning process, for example, after completing a specific topic or section. If the platform certificate template doesn't fit your needs, you can upload your own custom certificate for each student. To make the certificate available for download in the student's personal account, you need to create it in any convenient program, save it in PNG or PDF format, and name it correctly. The recommended file size for uploading is no more than 5 MB. The file name for the certificate must include only the numeric ID of your course and the student's email address used for registration. The course ID can be copied from the browser's address bar when viewing the course. To upload a custom certificate, go to the Certificates section and click Open File Manager, or open the File Manager directly from the menu on the left. In the panel, create a new folder for course certificates, or go to an existing one. Upload the certificate by clicking Upload Files. For a student to be able to download the certificate after completing the course, go to the settings of the required course, enable certificate issuance, and select the Choose Folder option. That's it. This is how you can easily create a certificate for students or upload a personalized one in SendPulse. See you in the next lesson.